Kia ora, and I'm just doing a video recording about the opportunities and challenges that I may face with going through my practicum. So first of all, I'll start with the opportunities. I feel really privileged to be able to be paid to do this postgraduate and to have this time to look more deeply within my practice and to learn about how to become a better practitioner. So the opportunities will be working with other specialists such as the National Assessment Team. They're coming down to work with some of my students at Special Needs School, and they've invited me to be part of that, so that's really amazing. And I've also been invited to work with on a working group for cerebral vision impairment and to be part of that in delivering professional development to the Christchurch Regional Days, which is a real humbling opportunity. Also, I think as well, this will give me the opportunity to look into some of the Braille programs and pre-Braille programs so that I'll have real confidence with teaching my new teacher aides and also my new Braille student. So I feel really lucky to have the time to really get my teeth into that area. Also in terms of having time to look at assistive technology in terms of talking calculators, talking watches, and the different resources that can support students that are fully blind. Also, I think it's a great opportunity that some of the mentors that I've chosen have a wealth of knowledge, and to have a task or some goals to talk to, for example, my auntie around is just fantastic, because I've identified from this assignment already that she has a huge amount of knowledge and can be very specific about how to write reflections, what are your goals, how to have a good practicum. Also, we have a specialist teacher called Kelly Doyle, who is just amazing with Te Reo, and I'm really looking forward to the opportunities of deepening my knowledge about delivering a functional vision assessment in possibly Te Reo, or even with symbols and icons within the assessment itself that are culturally appropriate. So because I am of Māori heritage, I just feel like there's huge opportunity there for me to develop personally as well, and that sits really rightly with me, so I'm looking forward to that. And also, I think the opportunity for me just to become a better practitioner in terms of clarity around my role and clarity around my boundaries as a professional, and, for example, what Blends delivers and what it doesn't deliver. So I'm really looking forward to having the clarity and confidence that will come from looking further into those, into the policies and procedures, which will be fantastic. And then the challenges, I identified a couple, and that's really just along the lines of having quite a large caseload as well as doing the study. But, you know, I guess we're all in the same boat. All my colleagues have large caseloads as well. So I guess the opportunity for me within that challenge is that maybe asking for some more support from my manager and my senior teacher, or at least asking for some flexibility around some of the days that I have my study days, or maybe even if another teacher could step into different areas when I'm doing my practicum, because sometimes it doesn't fit exactly in with my scheduled study days. So yeah, even within that challenge, there's an opportunity for me to be more assertive and really put my needs across. And also, I guess in terms of disappointments, it could be that, well, there already has been a cancelled immersion course, but I guess that's an opportunity for me to learn to kind of go with the flow and adjust to those situations. So it's mainly positives for me, mainly opportunities, so I'm looking forward to it. Thank you.